Hello YouTube, we're going to be unboxing the Nuwave oven. Ooh. Alrighty, so let's see what it says here. It says Nuwave Primo Combo Grill. New smokeless indoor grill base. Nuwave cooking app, 800 plus. Easy to follow recipes. App in Google. Healthy results. Fat and oil drips away. Integrated digital temperature probe, 70% faster than conventional ovens. Cook from frozen, no defrosting or heating necessary. Synchronized top and bottom, no turning or flipping. Perfect crispy results on both sides. Alrighty, so let's open it up. Oh, here's the attachments there. It comes with a power hood, power dome, base, non-stick grill plate, dome holder, probe, owner's manual, and complete recipe book. Alright, 6-month registry warranty. So voila, 6 months. So that's why I prefer to shop. Alright, so this is our book. It's the, it says owner's manual and complete recipe book. And once you register it. Alrighty, and some more things that they have. That's any recipes. Where are the recipes at? Okay, so this is the program menu. Items, how long they cook for. Looks like it's a extended list. Now, I had the original one and I just loved it. So when my other one would break, I just kept ordering parts off of like eBay. So for me to be able to get a brand new one, and it's actually an updated version, I'm like really excited and I can't wait to use it. Alright, so then I guess you go into about the operating, the maintenance care, and recipes. What a coincidence, because we just got a box of salmon yesterday from the Wild Alaskan company. So you know we're definitely going to be making something with salmon. Rustic Italian pizza. Ooh, I don't do pork chops. But we did order some steaks from Omaha Steak Company, or whatever they're called. We did get some of that. Roasted vegetables, grilled Cajun shrimp. Oh, we do got some shrimp outside. Man, we are on the road. And let's see. Again, some. Oh, yes. We are loving this. What is this? Herbal roasted root vegetables. Don't do squash. Don't like Brussels sprouts. Crispy skin. Amish chicken. Okay. All right. Well, I think it's a whole lot, so I'm not going to go through all of them here, guys, but you get my drift. And oh, some desserts too. Oh, if you like pina colada, keep calling me. Okay, so pecan. You can make a pecan pie in this thing. Are you serious? Rich chocolate cake. All right, so let me keep going. Here is the. Is it? Oh, I thought it was bent. I guess that's how it's supposed to look. That must be the temperature gauge. Let's set this guy down. Alrighty. And what do we have? This must be the dome lid holder. Okay. Am I able to pull this thing up all in one shot? Nope, it's different parts. Okay, there's the dome. Or is it the hood? What was this part called again? This is the... Wait, what was that part called? It is the number 2. Okay, the power... That right there is the power dome. And then it's the power hood. So, power dome. Okay, here is the... Okay, program stages, focus. Oh, we got it from Kohl's, in case you guys are wondering. We got it from Kohl's. And it's actually on sale right now for like $127, but I got it for like $137. So much wrapping. Oh, it's heavy. Ooh, wow, this is different. This isn't like the other one I had. Look at that. Oh, this is nice. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's keep going, guys. This is good stuff. Okay, so I'm predicting that this goes into here. But we'll figure it out in a second. I guess that's it. The box is empty. Alright, let's put this thing together. Oh, okay, so it fits down in there. Oh, look at this, guys. It's so durable. The other one I had was just like, everything was plastic. But like I told you, it's like I wouldn't let it go because I love this so much. Okay, so. What does it look like on the other side? Underneath. Oh. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, what does it say? BPA free? Y'all see that? BPA free? Caution, hot surface, handle with care. Okay. Oh, wow. So, oh, it's, okay, so I see here. What we're doing here is, I'm trying to look through my camera and take this thing apart. Apparently that option ain't working for me. Huh, what is that? Okay, we got it. All right, so look, it tells you top. That goes on the top. And you slide in here. Okay, now here's the cord. Let's plug it in and hear what it sounds like. Oh, some plastic on there. Ooh, look at that, guys. So my hood isn't on all the way. So that thing is tight now. Well, let's see, what do we have? Oh, look at that. Well, I'm way on into this video than I would like to be, but I will make another one where I'm actually cooking the salmon, the wild Alaskan salmon. So stay tuned. Love you, YouTube. Bye. And yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to get started on this new way. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. Oh, where does the probe go? Oh, the probe goes here. How does that go in there? Well, let's put this probe in. This is where I'm supposed to grab my manual, right? How does this work? We need our manual for this one. Where does the probe? How does the probe go in there? Number 5, probe. Okay, how does it go? Oh, it should be a hole down here. All right, let's find the hole. There we go. Alrighty. There we go. Probe is in. Probe is in. Sweet. Alright, guys. Alright, my video was way longer than I wanted it to be. But I'm going to do another video while I'm actually cooking something. So, love you, YouTube. Take care. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. And I will catch you later. Bye now.